Shall we dance?
Yeah.
Mr. Ben, how are we feeling?
Dying.
Well, that's not good. We've only snowboarded for 1 day. You've got 100 days minimum left.
I've got a cold.
Ah, he's got a cold.
Got man flu.
Oh, you don't want that.
Huh?
You don't want that. Nobody wants the man flu. There's people snowboarding outside. Oh, it's gone. I'm not sure how I'm going to record because I was going to bring the 360 camera, and then I don't know. I have one mount left, and then I have another helmet coming, and I don't want to mount it to the Z Power one because I just don't want to. So I'm stuck. So that means I've got to hold it. But if I hold it, then when I'm not recording, the stick goes into my pocket, and then it like breaks my rib cage, which is not fun. Unless I put it in another pocket, but I don't think I have one. Sad times, rough times.
So we get to the next set of traffic lights, and traffic lights are red. And this time I pre-warn him. I go, mate, those traffic lights are red. They're red. They're red. They're red. We go straight through. He said, what do you think you're doing? He said, come on, it's all right. My brother does it all the time. I said.
Sorry, I was just setting up. I was just setting up my GoPro.
No dramas, you. Shall we dance?
Yeah.
And you want a little sup in the day lodge, yes?
I'm going to piss myself.
Okay. To the day lodge?
To the day lodge. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. There I am.
Hi, my name's Kieran and I'm from mysnowboardjourney. I'm going for a run, let's go. Oh, sorry. Gap the rope all the time.
Huh?
We just like gap the rope. Like further.
Oh. Rocks everywhere. Oh my god, rocks everywhere! Ah. Oh, fuck me. Go stop recording.